Got the Don P, yeah, pour it. Know what I mean, bitch, on it, on it, on it, on it. They all in my face wanna know what I got. Love what you see, you wanna deal on my shit so high, yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you don't know, now you know, and now we are best friends. So make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn your push notifications on and follow me on all my social media. I've been doing a lot of giveaways lately, so make sure you are tuned in, okay? So as you can see by the title, we are doing a 3-in-1 get ready with me hair, makeup, and outfit. As you can see, we have already jumped into the hair, you know what I'm saying? So look at the curls. Right now I'm just giving them a spritz of water and conditioner just to bring life back to my curls, and I'm gonna be smoothing my hair with some Eco and putting it into a top knot. Okay, this is a quick get ready with me. You know, when your boo-boo texts you out of nowhere and be like, girl, get dressed, I'm taking you out, you know what I'm saying, and you gotta hurry up and get ready. Like literally I got ready in 45 minutes, y'all. Like, we had reservations, me and my man, and I was pushing time. So this is a quick get ready with me. So top knots are always my go-to, okay? So all you need is to spray your hair with some water, put some moisture, some conditioner in it. Make sure your curls are popping. That's like a key step. You know what I'm saying? Get a hard bristle brush and some gel and brush your hair all the way to the top. And make sure that your top knot is going to sit exactly where you want it to. You know what I'm saying? Like, imagine that it's already on your head, because once you're done, it ain't no going back to it when you're in a rush, okay? Like, make sure it's perfect the first time, and then you want to take a big, large scrunchie that is not going to tie and mess up and knot your hair, okay? Then you're just going to wrap your hair into a ponytail, and then all I do is position my hair how I want it to be. Make sure that you cover your band, okay, because that's not cute. And I also mix Eco and Got To Be gel because that just has the best hold for me. And yeah, position my hair how I want it, and I secure it with like rubber bands. Sometimes I use a bobby pin, sometimes I don't. It depends on how my hair wants to act. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, for me personally, I love a cute top knot. Like, they always make you look sophisticated. I feel as though they give me some height, like they make me feel tall, you know what I'm saying? When I have my bun, I'm 5'5", fuck a 5'2", you know what I'm saying? Like, period, give me some inches. So anyways, now I'm going into I'm not going to completely do my edges, but I am going to brush them out, and I'm going to put a little bit more of Got To Be on my actual hair, and then I'm going to slick my hair down with a silk or satin scarf while I'm doing my makeup, okay? So just put your baby hairs out of the way, and we're going to do them at the end, like after we do my makeup, because I always have to go and retouch my edges up anyway. So yeah. So now I have went and washed my hands, okay? Before you get it touching your face, make sure you wash your hands. And these are the moisturizers I've been using on my skin. Take a screenshot, sis. The one on the left has been getting rid of all my dark marks, I swear to God. And I just live by bio oil. I just love it, you know what I'm saying? So my skin is already moisturized, and now we're going into eyebrows. This is the NYX Micro Pencil in Espresso, my favorite eyebrow pencil ever. You know what I'm saying? It costs like $10 from your local beauty supply or your local drugstore. Bomb.com. It's amazing. Like, it's so precise, and I love the spoolie. So yeah, I'm just filling in my brows, top and bottom, in the sparse areas, flicking it upwards at the top, and that's about it. And afterwards, I'm going to go in with this Kiss Concealer. I'm not sure the exact name, but 9 times out of 10, it will be on the screen with my Morphe brush. This is my favorite eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to be carving out my brows. I'm not going to do the top because, you know, we're in a rush. Don't nobody got time for that. But I am going to make sure I get the bottoms together so we can have a clean brow. And then I am going to blend it out with this like $1 e.l.f. blending brush from like CVS, girl. I have like 1,000 of them because they're amazing and they're cheap and very, very affordable. And after brows, I'm going to go into skin, okay? So even though my skin looks pretty good right now, I do have some red marks that I would love my makeup to stick to. So I'm going to prime first with the hydrating Fenty primer. And then I'm going to go in and make a little concoction with my NARS and my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This gave me like the perfect color. I don't know what it was, if it was a combination between the foundations and the concealer. I don't know what, girl, but I had a really, really nice base. And thank God I didn't have any pimples, but it covered up all of my little red and dark marks. Like, I just may have found my perfect little concoction, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to go over that with my concealer, and this is in Toffee, I believe. I'm going to do one layer of Toffee because it's closest to my skin tone. So that's actually going to conceal, but then I'm going to go into Warm Honey. Same concealer, same Kiss concealer, but just a different tone, and that's going to like literally highlight my face. You know what I'm saying? And in case you was wondering, I have a favorite beauty blender, and it is from Base Blue. They're located in DC. They're bomb.com. You know what I'm saying? But while I'm waiting for my concealer to dry down, I'm going to use my Got to Be on my eyebrows. Okay, don't judge. You know what I'm saying? Period. It's like the perfect eyebrow gel, period. And y'all, I was so into this show. Me and my man was watching what is that show called on Hulu? Wu-Tang. We was watching Wu-Tang on Hulu. That's our show, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, make sure you blend out your concealer, okay? And then here is the top secret part of blending your concealer. Get around your nose. Literally push your nose to the side and blend out that concealer around your nose, sis. Promise you, it's gonna make all the difference. You know what I'm saying? And for today's look, I kind of wanted that like sleek, snatched face look. I really wanted my under eye to be lifted. So usually I don't pull my concealer all the way to the side of my face, but today I did. And then I just made sure that I blended it out with like my contour and my bronzer, and it looked really good in the end. Like, I think I'm gonna start doing this, you know what I'm saying, on a regular basis. But yeah, after I go in with 2 layers of concealer, this is what made my skin flawless today, okay? I didn't use my normal airspun powder to set. I used this Cover FX powder in like medium, whatever color it is, and it just smoothed out my under eye and like on my highlighted area so nicely. Like, I was literally shook it to the core, you know what I'm saying? So if you know me, you know that I do not bake. I just press the powder into my skin, and I do that really, really good. And then I go into contouring, you know what I'm saying? I have to leave the powder on my skin because it gives me a guide of where I need to like contour around, because I used to suck at contouring. Like, I'm not even gonna front, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm using this e.l.f. concealer. I'm sure I'll put the exact color on the screen, but this it dries really quickly. So you have to use a little bit at a time. And I'm actually going to blend it out with my foundation brush. Because like I said, I can't contour for SHIT. So blending it out with this brush just like honestly helps me so much. And remember, I wanted to look snatched, so I added a little extra, you know what I'm saying? A little vroom vroom, you know what I'm saying? A little whoop whoop, you know what I'm saying? A little extra, little, okay, I'm doing too much, all right. And then I just take the excess, like, color that's still left on the brush and just go around my forehead with that. I don't want to, like, actually add more because this product is like very pigmented, you know what I'm saying? And then whenever you go in with a cream concealer or like cream product, you always have to set it. So I'm using the Black Radiance contour palette, and I just go in with the Sculpt and the contour color, and I'm using a base blue brush, and I'm just setting everything that I did around my forehead. And I'm also going to take just the middle color for my nose contour because we just want to bronze her up. And now that we put all that powder, everything is nice and set, but we looking a little like, you know, cakey, not cakey, but a little powdery, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get rid of that by using this LA Girl Fix and Setting Spray, whatever it's called. This really reminds me of like MAC Fix Plus. It's bomb. I use this like in between doing my makeup just to like refreshen the skin. And then once I spray that, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe highlighter. I think it's in the shade Mirage or something like that. I don't know. That's also the name of my car, so maybe I'm like tripping. I know it starts with an M though. Y'all, it's like 8 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm editing this video. I'm so sleepy. Like, disregard how I sound. But anyways, I'm just cleaning up my contour, cleaned it up with a little bit of powder. And yeah, I'm gonna go off camera to put on my lashes. Don't ask me what lashes these are, girl, because I do not know. Like, I be leaving my lashes all around my room. Unfortunately, they be looking like spiders. But now we're back, and it's time for the lip combo, okay? So usually, on a regular day, you know what I'm saying, I take either LA Girl or NYX. I get them too confused because I use both of them every day. One is in the color Espresso, and then one is in the color Deepest Brown. And then I take whatever base for that day. Today I'm using, is it Velvet Teddy by MAC? Girl, get some type of nude lipstick, you know what I'm saying? Just put that down as your base, and on top you're gonna use your lightest concealer, and then you just blend that all out. And like later I'm gonna top it with some, I think I use Fenty Gloss Bomb on top, and like perfect lip combo ever, you know what I'm saying? Because I lost my clear lip gloss. I don't know where it went. I got like 5 of them and don't know where they are. But anyways, now I'm just touching up my edges. I'm not touching them up, I'm actually laying them down now. So yeah, that really wraps up the hair and makeup. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in just a second when we get to the restaurant. I hope y'all enjoyed. Huh? Yeah. I gotta show y'all my outfit later. Huh? Hey. It's behind you. I'm on a date, kind of nervous. Just so y'all know, my top is from Zara, my jacket is from H&M, my pants and bag are from Shein, and my booties are unknown. I don't know where these are from, but thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, mamas. Mwah.
Hold it, got the dumpy, yeah, pour it. Know what I mean, bitch, on it, on it, on it, on it. They all in my face wanna know what I got. Love what you see, you wanna deal on my shit so high, yeah, I bet you catch a feel. I don't know who you are if I'm keeping it real.